Hello friends, today we will discuss about the levels of production part approval process. There are 5 levels in production part approval process. First of all, level 1. In level 1 we need to submit warrant only. Warrant means part submission warrant, and for designated appearance items an appearance approval report submitted to the customer. Okay, with warrant we need to submit appearance approval report to the customer. And level 2 is warrant with product sample and limited supporting data submitted to the customer. Part submission warrant and sample inspection report and raw material testing report we need to submit to the customer in level 2. Okay, in level 3, warrant with product sample and a complete supporting data submitted to the customer. That means in level 3 we need to submit part submission warrant, raw material test report and 18 elements of the PPAP. Okay, we will discuss 18 elements of the PPAP in the next videos. So if you are not subscribed and subscribe my channel, so please subscribe now to know about 18 elements of PPAP. Okay, and in number 4, warrant and other requirements as defined by the customer. That means we need to submit part submission warrant, raw material test certificate and as customer specific requirements with sample inspection report. Okay, other requirements defined by the customer, that means it is known as the customer specific requirements. And in level 5, warrant with product sample and complete supporting data reviewed at supplier's manufacturing location. That means when customer will review our documents, that is part submission warrant, raw material test certificate and sample inspection report at supplier's manufacturing location. So before visit at a supplier's manufacturing location, supplier should complete all the documents related to production part approval. Here there is some shortcut cases here. In level 1, PSW means part submission warrant, part submission warrant. And RMTC means raw material test certificate.